policy at all times. And have a look at the safety briefing card in the seat bucket in front of you, as it contains important information. And we will now proceed with a safety briefing. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact a member of our team. There are 8 emergency exits on board of this aircraft, clearly marked with an exit sign. Take a moment to locate the emergency exits. You will find 2 exits at the front, 4 overwing exits, and 2 exits at the rear. If we have to evacuate, follow the fluorescent strips on the floor. And remember that the nearest emergency exit may be behind you rather than in front of you. Fasten and tighten your seatbelt low and tight around your waist, as demonstrated by our flight attendants. To unfasten, simply lift the metal flap. Your seatbelt should be fastened while the fasten seatbelt sign is illuminated and throughout the flight when you're seated. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down from the panel above you. If you're wearing a protective face mask, remove it immediately. Pull an oxygen mask towards you to activate the oxygen supply. Position it over your nose and mouth, pass the elastic band around your head, adjust and breathe normally. And always secure your own mask first before assisting children or other passengers. And a life vest is stowed in a pouch under your seat. If you need to use the vest, remove it from the bag and place it over your head. Tighten the strap around your waist, clip the strap into the center buckle in front and pull it firmly. Inflate by pulling the cord with the red tab, but only when you're outside the aircraft. And blow into the rubber tube if you need more air inside your life vest. And there is a safety briefing card in the seat bucket in front. Read it carefully, as it contains important information, especially if you're seated next to one of the emergency exits. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, adopt the brace position as shown on the safety briefing card. And please comply with all ordnance signs and pictograms, listen to and follow the instructions given by the crew. We thank you for listening. We take your safety very seriously. Now relax and enjoy your flight. seatbelt fastened visibly and keep it low and tight around your waist. Be careful when opening an overhead locker. Items could fall out, causing injuries. Smoking is not allowed. The lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. And in a few moments we will start our in-flight service. A selection of snacks and beverages is available for purchase when traveling in economy class. You can pay with Maestro, American Express, MasterCard en Visa. Cash payments are not accepted. En zo dadelijk starten we met onze in-flight service. Als u in economy class reist, kan u kiezen uit een assortiment aan betaalde dranken en snacks. U kan betalen met Maestro, American Express, Mastercard en Visa. Cashbetalingen worden niet aanvaard. Et dans quelques instants, nous débuterons notre service à bord. Si vous voyagez en classe économie, une sélection de snacks et de boissons est disponible contre paiement. Vous pouvez payer avec Maestro, American Express, Mastercard et Visa. Les paiements en espèces ne sont pas acceptés.